Hello guys, welcome back to DelphStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to add bullets to your text in PowerPoint slides. This is a very quick and easy tutorial. Go to the slide with your text. For this tutorial, I'm using a sample text. Click on the text box and select all of the text. Make sure you select the text you want to add bullets to. Click the bullets option on the Home tab. Click the arrow next to it to see different bullet styles. Choose the bullet design you prefer. You can also switch to numbered lists instead of bullet points. Select any numbering style you like. For example, you can choose Roman numerals and apply them. That's how you can add bullets or numbering to your text in PowerPoint. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.